Hey guys, I'm Fancy, and this is Murder by Design. So, hey, I'm coming up right here in between the preliminary hearing that we're having for Chad Daybell today. So far, we have heard from one of the detectives in the case, and he has been giving some information about the search warrant that they conducted. There's been a couple other things that he's talked about. I see that Chad's attorney is rather aggressive in his objections. I don't think a lot of them have been warranted. Thankfully, the judge has been going ahead and kind of overruling most of them. I did find it interesting to learn about JJ's name change. I personally didn't know that. I don't know if other people knew, but I didn't know about the name change. That was rather interesting for me today. But so far, we've gotten into the idea of serving the search warrant, the original knock and search, the original welfare check today, and now we're starting to get into the point about them searching the pet cemetery. Now that was really interesting. The lawyer kept focusing on that, the defense attorney, and I'm not really sure why he was narrowing in on the fact that, the guy said pets and he only dug up 2 pets, and that doesn't seem enough to be pets. Well, I don't know, sir. I define 2 pets as more than 1 pet. So that would, by definition, be pets. Strange. He was very, very adamant about going on about that. I wonder if there's something there that we're going to find out. I really don't know why he would be so interested in what exactly was dug up besides the bodies. I think that's very interesting. I don't know what you guys think. What do you guys think? Is that something that you think is interesting? What have you heard so far that you've been watching that you have found interesting in the preliminary so far? So today we'll be hearing from a lot of different witnesses in the case. Basically, this preliminary hearing is to get an indictment to basically go ahead and go to trial, that they have enough evidence to take it to trial. So they'll present quite a bit of evidence today that we'll get to kind of see a sneak peek into what they're going to be presenting as their case later on. So I think that's really interesting. I'm kind of excited to see all this come through. But so far, we've only seen one defendant, or one witness. God, I couldn't think of the name. I'm so sorry, guys. One witness so far, and that's just the Rexburg Police Department detective. And we're supposed to hear maybe even from some family members and friends. I'm wondering if they're going to call either of the Melanies or Brandon Bordeaux. I'm very interested to see who they end up bringing today to the courtroom. What are you guys thinking about it so far? I will be doing these updates throughout the day today as we get little pieces of this live stream of the preliminary hearing. I'm sorry, my brain is just going cuckoo today. I'll be popping in and out today. We won't do a true crime tidbit today. We were originally going to do it on Hannah Potts, the faked kidnapping, but we'll come with that on Wednesday. Now, don't forget to tune in tonight live at 6 p.m. We're going to be hosting a live panel discussion with some of our experts on the Epstein files. So I'm really excited about that, hoping that we get some, we have a great conversation. You guys get to tune in. So that'll be 6 p.m. Eastern. And then at 8 o'clock, just right after that, we'll be doing another live that will be our live introduction to the Ashley Freeman Lori Bible case, which was featured on Hell in the Heartland on HLN and has just had a book written by the same name, Hell in the Heartland. So we'll be doing that. So there's going to be a lot of lives today, guys. So just keep tuning in here as we discuss this. I'll be discussing different points that I hear in the preliminary hearing throughout the day. If you guys have questions, please drop me a comment, and I will try and see what I can do to get the answers to those different questions. If there's something you're not understanding or something's confusing you, or you just have a general question, just let me know. I hope that you guys have a wonderful start to your week on Monday, and I will be back in just a little while to continue to cover the Daybell preliminary hearing. Bye, guys.